To assemble my design system, you're going to need a top and a bottom. You're going to need 8 pairs of verticals. The verticals will be going in this location here, across through here. And then when you have the verticals and the horizontals set together, then you're going to be putting the back panel on too. So for right now, I'm going to show you how to assemble this in each different section first. I'm going to use blue tape, the masking tape method this time, just to make it very simple and easy to understand. Also, masking tape gives another benefit that it helps also if you should have a chance of burr comb. Take it back and lay it onto your tape. With that in place now and stuck, just temporarily stick 2 verticals into place. And that allows you to give proper spacing to put your top and bottom on. Make sure that the ends match up with each other so that they're flush. Once you have that, remove the verticals, lay that down, let it press together, and now that piece will set ready to go, ready for your next verticals.